Hey, Ryan Snodden here in the CBC Newsroom. Weather webcast time. A bit of a system rolling in. Snow, freezing rain, ice pellets, and rain, and then wind and warm air. Big warm-up for Thursday. Special weather statement already in effect by Environment Canada for the snow, the freezing rain, the ice pellets, the rain, and the wind, and of course the warm temperatures that are going to come along with that. Winter storm watch, Labrador City, Churchill Falls, Churchill Valley, 10 to 15 by Wednesday night at midnight, and then guess what? More snow coming Thursday into Friday with a secondary push. You folks could be looking at 20 to 30 by the time we get to Friday and this entire mess kicks out. Labrador City certainly into the mix by 7 a.m. already starting to pick up some accumulating snow, and certainly looking at 5 to 10 by the time we get to Wednesday evening. And again, along this warm front, that's where we're looking at the snow to freezing rain, then finally to rain. Now across most of the island, 2 to 5 centimeters, but over the northern peninsula, Green Bay, White Bay, even into the western parts of the Bay of Exploits up into southeastern Labrador, this is where we're looking at about 5 to 10 centimeters before that changeover. Now watch as we work into Wednesday overnight. Again, that snow will change to freezing rain for St. John's Metro and along the northeast coast overnight Wednesday in through Thursday morning. But it looks like by Thursday morning, certainly temperatures across the island are going to be above zero. The rain coming down already into southeastern Labrador, the warm up there as well. And boy, oh boy, by Thursday afternoon, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 degrees possible for much of Newfoundland. Now, we talked about that freezing rain. Again, that's going to be an issue Wednesday night and through Thursday morning. Okay, we're going to be keeping a very close eye on this through the day tomorrow as the system approaches, but right now, you can see the GEM regional forecast model certainly showing a couple millimeters of ice accumulation. So we're going to be keeping a very close eye on that through the day tomorrow as the system approaches. We'll keep you updated on the live blog. By the time we get to Thursday morning, picking things up here once again, the warm air in place and the rain coming down for the island and into southeastern Labrador. Likely still looking at wet snow here in Labrador City, and then that changeover. Temperatures are going to really drop on the back side of this system, so Labrador City right back into the cold air by Thursday afternoon. The big warm-up for Newfoundland continues. Temperatures will really start to peak Thursday afternoon across the island, and then as we work into Thursday night, into Friday, the cold front comes through. There's still rain across the island, eastern parts of the island by Friday morning, but that cold air charging in, temperatures falling through the day on Friday, and it is another cold air mass coming in. Especially into Labrador, but even across the island, temperatures are going to be pretty chilly Friday night. And again, those winds are going to be an issue as well. Watch the winds come in from the south through the day on overnight Wednesday in through Thursday. Looking at some gusts, 60, 70, maybe 80 kilometers per hour along parts of the coast, especially the south coast, as we work into the Thursday time period and then into Thursday night, Friday. Those winds start to ease a little bit, but still pretty gusty winds through the day on Friday as that system departs and that cold air wraps back in. So this is the European forecast model projection on how things are going to shape up in terms of precip amounts. Again, mostly rain across the island, that bit of snow, bit of freezing rain, then the rain. Generally 15 to 30 millimeters looks like a pretty good number right now. I think, again, we'll see some bullseyes along the south coast and certainly into the Straits. And then Northern Peninsula up through the southeast parts of Labrador. This is where we're looking at the snow and the rain mixing in as we work through the day on Thursday, and mostly snow. Labrador City up into the northern parts of Labrador, and as I mentioned, Labrador City, the first shot Wednesday, then another shot through Thursday and into Thursday night, and that's why forecast models dropping 20 to as much as 30 centimeters there. As we get closer to the Thursday-Friday time period, we'll have a better idea. As I mentioned off the top, this is just the beginning, and very active patterns setting up. Forecast models at first were dropping this idea, now back with the idea for a snowmaker across the island on Saturday. That'll be snow and wind wrapping in on the back side of that system. It looks like that is going to be a go, so we're going to be keeping a close eye on that one. And then another system Monday into Tuesday, I should say Sunday into Monday time period, and forecast models showing another one as we work into the later stages of next week. Fasten your seatbelts. We'll keep you posted on the live blog. Thanks for watching the webcast.